What do you guys have? You got chocolate. Jesse, what do you have? Chocolate. Is it good? Yeah. Do you guys like chocolate? Whoop, that's a big piece, huh? Gotta take smaller bites. How's your chocolate? Is it good? Keep it in your mouth. Jazzy, how's your chocolate?
Good.
Is it good?
Hey.
Can you smile?
Oh, chocolate.
Matthew, can you smile?
One, two.
Say cheese. Cheese. Do you guys want to dance? Why don't you press play? Go press play. There goes Jazzy. She's going to press play. Go ahead. Go press play. You're going to dance? Go ahead. Why don't you dance with Jazzy? You're going to dance with the dinosaur?
It's chocolate knuckle.
You guys want more chocolate?
Chocolate.
Okay. You want more chocolate, Matthew?
Yeah!
Yeah?
There's more chocolate.
Jazzy, can you say bye?